So if you've changed your mind about where you'd like to study or what course you might like to do, stay tuned because we're going to find out whether or not clearing might just be the right option for you, aren't we, Abby?
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are. So Abby, how did clearing come about for you?
So I actually didn't get my first option straight away, but I had my second option, but decided I didn't want to go there.
After the gap year and everything, I finally decided to apply to uni, and I was getting ready to go to other ones and sort of had a change of mind last minute.
By the time I decided I want to go to university, it was around August time, so unless I wanted to wait another year, my only option was to go through clearing.
So what were you doing?
So I was doing an apprenticeship in management in a supermarket.
And you're now doing?
Architecture.
See, that's a big change.
I just wanted to do something more creative where I could express my own ideas a bit easier, and I just enjoy the challenge of problem solving as well, which I get to do every day now.
2 plus 2.
Definitely.
No, what is 2 plus 2?
Sorry.
And where did you go for information and advice regarding going through clearing?
So my sixth form had a section to go and chat to them, but there's also a lot on the uni websites that you can have a look at, and I did use that alongside going and speaking to my teachers.
So you find out your results, then what's the first thing you do?
So found out my results, cried because I didn't get into the first one.
That's okay, crying's fine.
Yeah, no, because I realised that actually I did want to be at university, and that was kind of the turning point. I went to sixth form to speak to them, and they helped me apply for it. So I had to ring into the clearing office, and the lady was really nice, and they literally got it sorted. I think I got my options and everything through in about 2 hours, if that.
How did you celebrate?
I literally screamed. I'm not even joking. I screamed. I ran downstairs, told my mum because she was at home at the time, and she was really hoping for me to get it as well. So it was really a happy moment.
What advice would you give to people who think that clearing might be an option to prepare?
Just get your grades written down. You can have a little cry, it's okay. And just be prepared to talk on the phone and put your big girl pants on, because I hate talking to people on the phone. But you know what? I did it. I spoke to this lady and she was lovely. We wrote down the phone numbers in front of us, the course, and what you got. So it literally was in front of you. She helped me write a little speech because she knew I hated being on the phone. So I had this little, hi, my name is this is what I've done. And it literally was just that. It was something so basic, but it really helps when you're there and you go, I've forgotten all my words, but this is all I can tell you.
Such good advice. So you mentioned you used the UCAS website. How simple was that process once you were actually on the website?
After I'd called the university, all I had to do was search up the specific course and the uni and click confirm, and it was just done.
How important is it as well for people to have an open mind going into results day and realise that things might not go smoothly, you might have to be a little bit adaptable?
Yeah, no, you have to kind of go in with that. Obviously, everyone's hoping to do well and things, but you need to know that sometimes it's not written in the cards for you to be going to this uni, completing this, getting this, but there are still other options, and you've just got to be mindful that there is that hope, even if it's a teeny tiny sparkle. That is what you need to hold on to and move forward with. I know it's corny, but it's true. You've got to look at that resilience that you're going to need when you're older anyway.
How would you view your clearing experience?
Oh, 10. Genuinely a 10 out of 10. It was quick, easy, short, snappy, and just, actual nice people want to help you.
We like nice people.
We do like nice people, yes.
We do like nice people. So we've learned today it's important to not be afraid of changing your mind, to not be afraid to pick up the phone, and also stay calm. Of course, head to ucas.com if you have any further questions or you'd like to find out more information about your next steps.